Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone brightness problem while playing games. Your iPhone screen brightness may decrease while playing games because of auto brightness, true tone, low power mode, or thermal protection when the device gets too hot. In many cases, adjusting a few settings and keep your iPhone cool can reduce unexpected brightness changes. Follow the steps below to troubleshoot iPhone brightness while gaming. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap the Accessibility option. Choose Display and Text Size. Turn Auto Brightness off if you want to control brightness manually. Go back to Settings and tap Display and Brightness to your preferred level. Turn True Tone off to see if it improves brightness consistency. Disable Night Shift if it is enabled. Open the settings again, battery, power mode, and turn off low power mode if it is on. Remove your phone case if the device becomes too warm during gameplay. Close the unused apps running in the background to reduce system load. Avoid playing in direct sunlight or other hot environments. Restart your iPhone after making these changes. Update iOS and your game to the latest versions if the brightness issue continues. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.